Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having an amazing day. Today is delivery day. I knew the assignment. The delivery man knew the assignment. The only person who did not know the assignment was the camera, apparently, because it spent the entire delivery trying to focus. I do apologize, but it still looks so good. So I hope you guys, could see through the blurred lines and appreciate the delivery. This morning at 10 a.m., American Signature came in to deliver my mirror. Within about 4 days of being in Atlanta, I headed into American Signature and I purchased my mirror because, like I said before, I sold the mirror. So when I came back to Atlanta, I literally went and repurchased all those items just to make sure that it was not going to be like a huge delay. But I'm so happy with the mirror, you guys. It looks so good. I love it here. I'm not going to move it. I've already done a couple of reels. I've taken some pictures. So if you're interested in this mirror, check out American Signature. You guys, I love delivery days. Oh, the mirror looks so good. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Next thing we're waiting on is for the art, and we will have art. But it looks so good. Let me stand back in the corner where I was at the other day so you guys can see it. It looks so good. So as I mentioned in the previous video, I'm trying to be a little bit relaxed, you guys, but let's just be honest. There's nothing relaxed about this situation. I'm doing my best to unpack as much as possible. And of course, being in a new space, trying to reconfigure things. Right now, I'm working the air conditioner. The previous homeowner had it set on a timer, and I had to just reset everything so that way the house can kind of cool down. I am okay with the mirror covering the AC. I don't want the kids to see it. I don't want anyone to see it. The only people that I want control of this unit right here is I, said the cat, okay? Just me. So I am okay with it being covered. Now, keep in mind that when you're working things in your home, you can do what's good for you. But again, I always have my kids in mind whenever I'm doing anything. And so I want it covered because if somebody moves that mirror, I'm going to have to move some hands. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and start trying to clean and getting things moved upstairs because not all the boxes that are downstairs are supposed to be located downstairs. So while the boys are here and they're not trying to go out, I'm going to have them help me. I also took account of some of the decor, things that were broken. I tossed them out. Things that I was like, I don't think I'm going to reuse them again. I got rid of those things. I'm going for a, transitional kind of modern style in this home, something that definitely fits me. I feel like I was moving more towards a contemporary traditional in the previous house, so in this one I want to do a little bit more contemporary modern. You're gonna see that with some of the pieces that are coming into the space for sure. And so, like I said, I'm trying to get a lot of these boxes unpacked, and what I can't currently pack, I'm leaving it in the corner. And it's crazy because when I started off, there was at least 10 boxes in this corner. And I think by the time I got done that day, there might have been about 3 or 4. So I feel like I did really, really good considering. guys. Happy July 8th, I believe. This is actually my very first morning coming in to the kitchen making breakfast. I've been ordering breakfast for the boys and I've been making dinner at night, but I haven't actually made breakfast because I've been so exhausted from all of the packing and trying to clean and running out to get furniture and beds and all of that stuff. And so it's just been like a little tiresome, I'm not gonna lie. But this morning I woke up and I wanted to make babe something to eat just because, to be quite honest, you guys, like, it's been really nice to get some help around the house and I felt very giving. And so just being able to be in the kitchen and having everything so accessible, I would like to give a huge thank you to my sis, Fash, because, I mean, being in here and just grabbing my knives and grabbing the cutting board and opening up the fridge. I still have to clean the fridge and organize it, but for the most part, things are just so done. And I'm really excited about how the house is coming together. The only thing that I would change is how I'm feeling. So I think I might have ate something that had mango. For those of you guys that are new, I recently found out that I have a mango allergy. And yeah, so that's not having me feel too good. I think I'm going to slow down on the eating out just because, I at this point I don't want mango, But like I said, I'm definitely enjoying the house all around. If you guys are wondering what I am making asparagus, sausage, and just some egg whites. Really simple and easy. His breakfast is normally light, some coffee, and that's pretty much it. And before you guys say it, no, him don't live here. It's just me and the boys. That's it. But every so often he is here, and so when I know he's coming, I do try to have a few things already prepped and ready to go for him. But yeah, as you can see from the background, I'm still kind of moving around the kitchen trying to figure things out. It's so weird just because the configuration is a little bit different, but within another week I'll have it down pat where everything is at, and it'll just be easy to kind of be in this space. The pan that I'm using, I've used it before, is the All Clad. I'll search online if it's available. I believe the last time you guys asked about it, it wasn't. That was the only thing that I dirtied in terms of cooking. I did the asparagus first. Halfway through, I dropped the sausage. Halfway through that, I'm dropping the eggs. By the time everything is in there, food is cooked, and I just literally have just the one pan to wash, so I'm not dirtying a whole lot of things. I highly recommend this All Clad pan. It was a gift from my mom, if you guys remember. It's something that I use on the regular. In terms of seasoning, what I'm using is a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder, vegetable seasoning, a little razzle dazzle, make the food extremely flavorful. You guys know that I enjoy cooking and all of that jazz. And so, yeah, I put my foot in this breakfast. But I'll go ahead and let you guys watch.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet, who you're because you don't know who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet.
You guys, I have to tell you about this morning cocktail. So pretty much with the juicer that I have, I did pomegranate and beet and mix it together with some orange juice. OMG. Please try it. I think you're going to absolutely love it. It's tasty, super healthy, and I've even done like carrot juice and all of that jazz. Again, I'm going to leave the juicer link down below also. Please try it. When I tell you this juicer just makes the vegetables taste so good. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but the Hiram juicer is absolutely amazing. Now that I'm done making everything, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up. And no, if you guys know me, you know that I'm not really big on eating in the morning. The kids are still sleeping. I did go ahead and make them something later on. I made plantain, sausage, eggs. I've been cooking, y'all. I've been cooking.